Imagine a world where travel isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about embarking on a journey of innovation and possibility. In a surprising turn of events, the Romotow Caravan has shattered expectations and become a tangible reality after a decade of captivating our imaginations. This isn't just any caravan, it's a creation that has left the entire recreational vehicle industry astounded. Designed by the visionary minds at New Zealand's W2, the Romotow is more than a mode of transport. It's a symbol of breaking boundaries and embracing a new era of travel. Over a decade ago, the Romotow Caravan burst onto the scene as a creative concept, sparking the imaginations of eager fans with its groundbreaking designs. But a big question hung in the air. Was it destined to be just a dream? Jump ahead to late 2018, and whispers started circulating that the dream might become reality, a thrilling prospect for those who'd been longing for this brilliant invention. Now, fast forward another 5 years, and the Romotow isn't just a concept anymore. It's here, a real thing that exists. The Romotow T8 stands as a testament to innovative design, seamlessly combining the essence of a travel trailer with the convenience of a compact yet fully equipped living space. A true marvel of creativity, this caravan embodies the perfect marriage of form and function, preserving the original concept's integrity. With its distinct features, including an inviting observatory and a sheltered porch, the Romotow T8 redefines the notion of a mobile dwelling. This visionary creation is the brainchild of the ingenious minds at W2, brought to life through a collaborative effort with ACM Motorhomes. The global unveiling of the Romotow T8 at the prestigious Covey Motorhome, Caravan and Outdoor Super Show in Auckland, New Zealand, marked a pivotal moment in the world of modern travel and accommodation. The Romotow T8 beckons adventurers and travelers with its promise of a unique experience. Its sleek design not only catches the eye, but also optimizes utility. This mobile masterpiece is an evidence to human ingenuity, a blend of architectural brilliance and practicality. After keeping digital audiences intrigued for more than a decade, the latest event brought a remarkable moment. The long-awaited debut of the Romotow T8 prototype. This version, initially previewed during W2's dedicated endeavors back in 2020, finally stepped into the limelight. In a market where concessions are common, W2 demonstrated unwavering dedication by staying true to the original blueprints. This commitment ensured that the Romotow T8 retained its daring core that had sparked imaginations from its very conception in 2012. The unveiling was a culmination of patient anticipation and a steadfast belief in preserving innovation. Spanning an impressive length of 9.3 meters, the Romotow T8 seems like a beast. At its core lies a clever concept, a central cabin that snugly resides within the open deck during travel and then elegantly unfurls upon arrival. This metamorphosis is orchestrated with finesse, courtesy of an automated hydraulic system that masterfully extends the cabin outward while pivoting it at a precise 90-degree angle. Stepping inside, the interior reveals a welcoming expanse where a generously proportioned dining area takes center stage within the rounded front cabin. Here, the boundaries between indoor coziness and the enchanting outdoor landscape blur, thanks to panoramic windows that wrap around. The result is a symbiotic blend of comfort and natural beauty, effortlessly integrated. As you dine, relax, or simply take in the view, it's a seamless immersion in the surroundings. What makes the Romotow T8 truly exceptional is not just its physical transformation, but the experience it offers. It's a testament to the harmonious marriage of engineering and aesthetics, a creation that not only functions flawlessly, but also elevates the way we interact with our environment. Whether embarking on a road trip or settling in for a scenic stop, the Romotow T8 promises an unparalleled journey where innovation and the outdoors intertwine in perfect harmony. The interior of the Romotow T8 epitomizes a blend of opulence and functionality, making it a haven for both comfort and convenience, all while accommodating up to 6 occupants. The dining area is a prime example of this dual nature, effortlessly transitioning from a cozy space for meals to a sanctuary for slumber. The dinette smoothly converts into either two single beds or a generously proportioned double bed, adapting to various needs. For even more versatility, a lift-away double bed option opens up additional accommodation possibilities. Adjacent to the sleeping quarters, the kitchenette offers a choice between two chic designs, both leading to an L-shaped dry bathroom that boasts a corner toilet, sink, and a convenient shower. This clever layout optimizes the use of space while maintaining a sense of style and practicality. At the rear, a tucked-away bedroom assures privacy and creates a serene retreat. This space can be configured either as a single king-size bed or as two separate individual beds, catering to diverse preferences. In this thoughtfully designed interior, the Romotow T8 marries lavishness with pragmatism, creating an environment where every inch has been meticulously considered to provide the utmost comfort, making it an ideal travel companion for those seeking both luxury and versatility on the road. The Romotow T8 extends its allure to the outdoors, featuring a patio with composite teak-like deck flooring and paneling, a canvas to arrange camping furniture and savor nature's beauty. Ingenious features include options for a fold-down bench seat or table and removable mesh sidewalls, a bug-deterring addition to enhance outdoor enjoyment. If you are liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Powered by a robust 200-ampere lithium battery and a roof-mounted 395-watt solar array, the Romotow T8 thrives on energy efficiency. A C-Zone integrated control system, coupled with an app, offers monitoring and regulation of electrical components. Entertainment options abound, from pop-up or wall-mounted 32-inch 4K smart TVs to an outdoor projector system with an 82-inch pull-down screen, creating a cinematic experience beneath the open sky. The Romotow T8 rests on a sturdy mild steel tube chassis and tandem Cruisemaster ATX spring suspension, managed by an automated chassis system that ensures level positioning at campsites. With an aluminum cabin structure and insulated composite walls, flooring, and roofing, the Romotow promises comfort regardless of external conditions. For those eager to embark on the Romotow journey, the starting price is approximately $268,500, with customization options leading to varying price points. Produced by ACM Motorhomes in New Zealand, the Romotow T8 primarily targets the Australasian markets while also welcoming inquiries from global enthusiasts. Securing a place in the Romotow T8 production queue requires a non-refundable deposit of $6,300, a small step toward experiencing this unique and revolutionary travel companion. As we conclude our journey through the remarkable world of the Romotow Caravan, it's clear that this creation is more than just a vehicle. It's a catalyst for change and a testament to human imagination and innovation. The Romotow T8 has redefined travel, taking us beyond the ordinary and into a realm where possibilities are limitless. With its transformation, luxurious interiors, and eco-friendly technology, it has made an indelible mark on the landscape of mobile living. The Romotow has shocked the industry, igniting a spark of inspiration in us all to dream big, think outside the box, and push the boundaries of what we can achieve. What do you think of this? Let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.